Welcome. In today's video, we are going to explore two powerful breathing techniques, alternate nostril breathing, Nadi Shodhan, and 4-7-8 breathing. These practices are not just tools for relaxation, they help bring balance, mental clarity, and a deep sense of calm. By regulating your breath, you can influence your body's stress response and tap into the power of your breath to reset your nervous system. Let's begin with alternate nostril breathing, a practice known to balance the energy in the body and calm the mind. This technique is great for reducing stress and improving mental clarity, as it harmonizes the left and right hemispheres of the brain. Here's how it works. Find a comfortable seated position, with your spine straight and shoulders relaxed. Using your right hand, fold down your index and middle fingers, leaving your thumb, ring, and little fingers extended. Close your right nostril with your right thumb, and inhale deeply through the left nostril. Now, close the left nostril with your right ring finger, and release the right nostril, exhaling through the right. Inhale through the right nostril, then close the right nostril with your thumb, and exhale through the left. This alternating flow brings balance and clears the mind. Practice this for about 2 minutes, and as you do, notice the mental clarity that arises. Benefits of alternate nostril breathing. It calms the mind and reduces stress. It enhances mental focus and concentration. It brings balance to your body's energy systems, harmonizing the nervous system. Now let's move on to 4-7-8 breathing, a technique known for its immediate relaxation benefits. This practice is simple yet effective in calming the nervous system, reducing anxiety, and even helping you fall asleep faster. Here's how it works. Start by sitting comfortably with your back straight. Close your eyes and inhale quietly through your nose for a count of 4 seconds. Hold your breath for a count of 7 seconds. Slowly exhale through your mouth for 8 seconds, making a whooshing sound. Repeat this cycle 4 to 5 times. Benefits of 4-7-8 breathing. It promotes relaxation and helps with stress management. It triggers the parasympathetic nervous system, calming the body. It aids in falling asleep and regulating stress hormones. Incorporating alternate nostril and 4-7-8 breathing into your daily routine can provide immediate relief from stress and help you find mental clarity. They work together to enhance both physical and emotional well-being. Practice them regularly to see the benefits of calming your mind and resetting your body's stress response.